Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Out here with Santos. Car took a hard hit up here at the front. It's all tweaked over to the left. Replaced the condenser, intercooler, radiator, a few hoses. Fired right up. We did get that ground down there, so should be good to go. Just got to figure out how to get this stuff to latch up right. I am here with an 850s parts car. Ouch! Dang it. I'm going to take this oil sensor out so I can check the threads on it. Lots of parts here. I'm going to take this engine. Might take this alternator off, get it tested. A few other things going on here. It's got a GMB new water pump on there. Somebody just did the timing on it, but for some reason the tensioner didn't tighten up the timing. So I need to figure out what's going on with that. Take a few more parts off of it and get this thing hauled off to the wrecker. If you need anything, let me know. I jacked the engine up to replace this mount, but I see there's a little problem right there. Sheared that bolt off, so I'm gonna remove that piece that's mounted behind it and see if I could replace that off of the other engine. I got a little pilot hole started on there. Let me get some light on it. Oh, you can see it at 12 o'clock. That was at the 3 o'clock position, and I've been tapping it around with this little T10 and a little hammer. So I got to get that thing to start turning so I could get something on there and turn that out. I sprayed that thing with some brakes parts cleaner and with PB Blaster, and it is turning out kind of easy now. You might be able to see it coming out. Let me go ahead and put a light on it. Trying to turn it with this thing here. Let me tap it a little bit with this thing so I can get it to turn. If I had my scribe, I could probably pull it right out. You can see it turning. So once you get it started, it should turn out pretty easy. Got the oil cooler block off on. Got the engine mount bracket on. Got the engine mount removed. That's the busted engine mount there. Busted up pretty bad. Torn down there and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna put this engine mount here I got from the junkyard on there. Bolt that up, get this engine away from the firewall. Made some headway. Got the front clip on, the headlights in, the computer in, wiring harness repaired, wiring harness loom protection on. Next we're going to do the radiator. Pulled that for some reason. We got that mount up on top and secure. So making some progress. Looking better. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.